Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, take a moment to locate the alternator on your engine. It's usually visible at the front. Finally, gather all your necessary tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt removal tool. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to loosen the tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the main power wire and the electrical regulator plug from the back of the alternator. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block and gently pull the old unit out. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support helps us create more useful content. On another note, I have a quick recommendation for you. The Simple Path to Wealth is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for the link to this book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it firmly with the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires, making sure each connection is tight and secure to prevent future issues. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed and has the proper tension on the pulley.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.